This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your connection is stable and above roughly 3 megabits per second, then switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi if possible to reduce dropouts. Once done, update the YouTube app or your browser. Outdated clients often mismanage buffering. Then clear the app cache or the browser cache and cookies to remove corrupt files that trigger auto-pause. After each change, reopen YouTube and play a short video to check if the automatic pausing persists. If basic fixes didn't work, move into deeper checks. Disable browser extensions or run an incognito window to see if an extension is interrupting playback. Many ad blockers or privacy tools pause media. Next, toggle hardware acceleration in your browser or app settings because GPU decoding can cause stalls on some systems. Also update your graphics and network drivers and apply operating system updates, since driver bugs often create intermittent freezes. As final steps, uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app or try a different browser to eliminate corrupted installations. Then test the same video on another device or use mobile data. If it plays fine elsewhere, the issue is local to your device or ISP. If problems persist, record when and how pauses happen with timestamps and quality settings, then contact YouTube support with that evidence. Troubleshooting tip: if pauses are inconsistent, try a wired Ethernet connection, briefly, to rule out intermittent Wi-Fi interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.